surrounding me with your energy. I don't wanna be there, don't wanna be anywhere, any place that I can feel you. I just wanna be near you. And yes, I'm a mess, but I'm blessed to be stuck with you. Sometimes it gets unhealthy, we can't be by ourselves, we will always need each other. Yes, I'm a mess, but I'm blessed to be stuck with you. I just want you to know that if I could, I swear I'd go back, make everything all better.
Hi, chommies. I'm walking to the library. I'm there to make a few copies. Print that's it. And then yeah, basically nothing much. And my hair, I love it. I just don't like the fact that my hairline is ruined. And I don't know what's ruined my hairline. My hairline is thumbing and it's not nice. It's never nice. Like, yeah, guys. Very healthy hair, but I'm not happy because yeah, famba. Okay guys, I just came out from the library. That's this trip from here to there wasn't successful. The girl there tried to help me, but she said she can't print out my documents. You can't print out, and the most important one is not printed out. In my country right now, people are fighting against illegal immigrants. And I met this guy there in the library. He said I look like a foreigner. He said I look interesting, I look like a foreigner. And he wanted me to take it as a compliment. I don't know, man. I don't know. Is it because of the afro? I don't know. But whatever, man. I'm a happy human being and I think I'm beautiful. Irregardless of what guys say. Or of what guys say. Because sometimes guys just say things, man, that just confidence. Right? Confidence. Man, I'm full South African. and that I'm full Zulu. Okay? Yeah.
Hello, hi, chommies. Today we are installing a wig, and I think I'm gonna go with the curly one because I've had it for a very long time, and I bought this from Shein. And yeah, let's review it at the end of this video because it's been a long time since I've played with my wigs. I just want to see if I still like them, you know. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm trying the bolt cap method for real this time. I saw that in my video the past time I tried to do it. I was very goofy. I was playing a lot. So I just want to see if, you know, I can do this or do it. I'm using the spray. Oh, sorry guys. Listen, guys, I tried with little to no experience. This is what my bald cap looks like. Let's put on makeup, make it match with the skin, and then put on that wig. Asante. I tried being bold. I think this is being bold enough. You know, the Mbungulu illusion. Guys, I wanted to cut my hair. One day I woke up, I just felt like I need to cut my hair. But I see that cutting my hair is not the solution, because 2 women that I spoke to about this situation of mine wanting to cut my hair, they advised me not. So I'm thinking, let me just go for the wigs instead. Let me just have fun with the wigs until I miss my hair. I just want to keep it protected, you see. Yeah, so we are taking out the wig that we are going to be trying out today. And what's special about this wig is that I bought it for my birthday, I think 2 years back. Yeah, and I love the color, I still do, but it is old, you see, but hopefully it's gonna work out. At the moment I don't have a mannequin head, unfortunately, so Azishe. Oh girl, we're gonna try our best to work with this wig. Ibile into engiyifunayo. Let's go. I'm gonna use this to soften the hair. Before I could even, you know, try to comb it, touch it.
Samurai Jack.
What else came in the game when it's back? I'm gone. Bad cool. Who else double the figures? I got in my car. Bad cool. Who else shine so bright? I nigga, I'm bored. Bad cool. Bad cool. Who else came in the game when it's back? I'm gone. Bad cool. Who else double the figures? I got in my car. Bad cool. Who else shine so bright? I nigga, I'm bored. Bad cool.
One tip I have learned today with this installation, it's better to use your comb instead of your finger, because I was using my finger like this here and it was lifting, and then I used my comb to just correct it and it was perfect. So nje siyafunda kancane, you know, sifuna ukubela ama girls la who know their business, you know. Yeah, ama DIY nje asazoqhuma nje. Are we not?
I'm at the spot you can't reach, and I still land on my feet. VIP GMGC, you shall outside with the creeps. And I don't fuck with that chillin', I step on your neck like I stop on your spleen. And I can find my wrist full on the payback and stacked in the pot like the ring. No, I don't do Russian over, I'm just with the Gucci, I'll be billing seats. How you gon' pull up on me by yourself on my gang and they all tryna eat? Spin by the bed on the fleece. Fucking up my drink, I'm back talking. Sick on the young miss. And man, you entered this with the illness. One two every drink, I mean, I deck slim. Fucking up my drink, I'm back talking. Sick on the young miss. And man, you entered this with the illness.
Guys, I think 8 and the weave is still weaving. Shake. Shake. Yeah, guys, this is the installation. What you think? Tell me what you think in the comments, okay? Ooh, okay. Improved. Okay.